You know?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so what you want to make sure you do is clean this motherfucker, clean your hands and everything before you touch the drain plug. And then you just want to, clean this surface off too. Make sure your seal's on it and everything, you know what I'm saying? Then you just go put that shit back in, just like I did. Clean as fuck. Very sanitary. Whenever the seal twists on the drain pan, that's when you know you're doing good. Beautiful. She was black as fuck. Just like my frame's not black as fuck no more because it's bent. Very fancy. Don't mind that. Alright, so you want to make sure you put this with a torque wrench to 300 foot-pounds. That's what the torque rating is. 300 foot-pounds. So. I put mine to about 500, but just be safe, Just put a 1/2 inch impact on it, Milwaukee especially, and just fucking ugga dugger in there. That's how you know she's right. So we need an adapter for this thing, or no? All right,
Straight to the ratchet.
Pick up my dirt ass ratchet.
You got a little oil leak around these ports.
Oh yeah, that's how you know. How you know she's full to the top. Beautiful. Just fucking make sure you get hyper tough. Make sure. It's the only way to do it. You get this little fucking thing with jig right here. This shit. It's in the wrong way. Yeah, like that. When you come up under this rig, that motherfucker only had about 0 gallons of oil in it. It really don't look like it had that much oil in it, to be honest. I don't know how, well, that's a 5 gallon bucket, cut almost in half. This fucking dumbass handle. I'm all the way up in this rig. It's been a while, guys. Alright, so, fucking get this motherfucker up on his rig. Fuck. In too old for this shit. And then once they fucking step ladder to get the ball filter. You gonna ratchet or you not gonna ratchet? Oh, there she blows. God damn, that motherfucker's loose as fuck. That bitch is so loose. It's probably where I was looking from. Motherfucker. Hell yeah. I actually need like something to lay on. This shit's fucking hot as fuck. Tighten up, you bastard. Yeah, I'm gonna do this shit with my hand. Probably could have took it off with my hand from the fucking jump. That bitch loose as fuck. Motherfucker, make sure it drains all up in your fucking eyeballs. Yep. Lube up your contacts, That's how you do it. Man, that motherfucker, that shit thick. I can taste it. That's when you know you're doing it right, though. Motherfucker. Hell yeah. Let her fucking drain a little bit. Come on, baby. Good thing it wasn't too hot. That motherfucker gonna burn the fuck out of my eyeball. Yeah, you can come off any day now, baby girl. Oh shit. Holy fuck. That motherfucker hot. See that fine unit right there? All that mud on her? That's how you know we're doing something right. Smells like, leave that old shit and drain that bad bitch out. Oh yeah. Black as fuck.
Just throw it in there. I didn't mean actually throw it.
Yeah. I threw it.
All over my concrete.
With this, what is it, cat litter? Yeah, we can get some of that stuff. Ooh, look at all them wires. I've got them things up there. Fucking fancy right there, guys. So that's exactly how y'all want to run your shit. They have like a little fan out here that's really good to tie it to. It cools them off, cools off the wires and shit. That's how I like to do mine. I don't have them ran like that right now because, you know.
I think the turbinator flew out though.
Oh, that bitch flew out a long time ago. I put a new one in. This is my turbinator fuse box. Yep. See all this black shit on here? It's supposed to be like that. It's custom painted.
The leaf fucked up right here.
Custom painted. What?
The leaf fucked up right here.
Oh no, that's mine's custom. Got a custom order to be like that. If you pull like these little wires out, the truck don't run no more. By the way, if you don't want to fuck up the truck. I need some rags. What I'll do is get your little Earl filter. This is that fucking new and improved one, I guess. They got that big old seal on that thing. Make sure she don't leak. I want to get your nice and dirty fingers once you get the bottle open. Can you get this motherfucker? I guess I'll pour a little bit in just because. Put that motherfucker on that rig. Dip your little dirty ass fingers in there. And you fucking lube that bitch up. Like you about to stick it in. Like that. Rub the ring a little bit. Give a little kiss. Stick it in the hole a little bit. Lube up them threads. Then you're ready to roll. You leave your fucking oil bottle over here with no cap on it. Out the way so it don't spill, you know. Come back up under this rig. You gotta make sure you cross thread it when you put it on. God damn, that motherfucker leaking some Earl everywhere in the motor. Hell yeah. Put this motherfucker up. Oh shit, it's pouring in my eyeballs. And put that motherfucker up on that rig. Make sure you don't clean the motor, because you wanna make sure you keep all that bad oil and shit up in that rig. You just twist that bitch on there. Make sure she's crossed there, like I said. Put her on there. Tighten her down. Tight as you fucking can. Then you want to get your fucking torque wrench out. Well, I have to use this first before I can use my torque wrench, but
You can't tighten it with that.
oh, I can.
No, I'm telling you, you can't.
Well, can't tighten it with that, guys. So we're just gonna drill a hole in the top of it, and we're gonna put a torque wrench on her. Top it right, motherfucker. Yep, and there you go. That's tight enough. Oh my god. All right, lay the fuck up. All right. Now you get your oil filter that been laying in the gravel and shit. You fucking just get your fucking rag out. That's also dirty as fuck. Dirty ass rag. Oh yeah. Make sure there's shit inside of it. Oh. There we go. Make sure that goes in your motor whenever you clean it. Clean that motherfucker out. Just a little one little pass, you know. That's good. I can put this piece of shit back in. Oh yeah, pop. Smell good. Now you got a little bit of water in it. Take this fucking piece of shit out your way. See, if it keeps getting in your way like this, you could just cut that shit. You don't need that. Fuck it. I haven't cut mine yet, I don't know why, but make sure you shove that bitch in there, in the gears and shit. Perfect, just like that. You know, get your old big old fucking 1 gallon, I think. Yeah. 5 quarts. that motherfucker. Try, you can just throw some of this shit in there if you want your shit to run real good. But I'm gonna be changing mine another 20,000 miles, so I don't want to run too good. Come over here to yarn it. You just fucking, just get it. Just get it in there, all in there. Motherfucker, my phone is stuck in the gear from a while ago. Oh shit. You just get it, just like that. Be nice if these old yoke dogs came with a light under the hood, but you know, that's only for fucking Dodgers because they break down so fucking much. So old yoke dogs don't need those lights under the hood. Just pour all in there. Oh shit, that motherfucker full as fuck. Make sure you clean out the funnel with the oil that you're pouring in the motor. You want to get as much shit as you can in the motor. Fucking head hurting. Oh yeah, baby. Flowing good. Keep pausing. Now you want to come with your little baby body. I got that fucking hard mileage shit, which is the same. It's the same 5W30 mobile one as the fucking shittiest one, but this one's 75 plus thousand miles. I don't know. It's the same price, everything. It's just some bullshit. But all the oil's good nowadays. You ain't gotta change that shit for 20,000 miles. But pour this little shit. I don't know how much this bitch takes, so we're just gonna fill her up all the way to the top of the motor. I really have no idea how much it takes. Something about gallon, I forget, because I changed too much oil in every fucking other thing. I think it's a gallon and a quart.
That Honda, you know how much that Honda takes?
Oh yeah, about 4 quarts ish, depending on how much it smokes. But I'll fill this bad bitch up. I think she'll be good with this, but I might add a little bit more, because usually she needs a little bit more than a fucking gallon and a quart, about 2 quarts. And then she'll run good, hopefully. She'll put some 0W20 in this bitch. Fucking run good. Good. Make sure you drip all. Alright, so you come up in this urinal now. After you got about a half a gallon in there. Come over here and start that. Running like a top. Quiet. That's actually the quietest bitch I ever run since I put the lift in. Purr. See how that oil leaking out the drain plug? That's when you know it's getting good. Filter looks like so you just want to run this bitch for about 3 hours. Run for about a few minutes. And you're going to turn that bad bitch on. And you're going to take the dip speed. I need to take my transmission on it. I'm going to check that bitch in my transmission. That motherfucker ain't got no gas in it. Make sure you get up all the dirt on it and shit. Oh yeah, baby. She running good. Let's see what she at. Everything back in that hole. Don't go to shook. Pull that old motherfucker back out. I guess the transmission's cool right now. I just drove it a little bit, but you know, it's good. She runs off. She's cool. Actually, she probably needs a little bit on. No bullshit. So she on the cool mark right now, and that bitch is definitely not cool. I'll tell you that. It's hot as fuck. Get in there, motherfucker. Turn it back out last time. Oh yeah. Right about low as fuck. But it's a Toyota, so you don't need transmission oil. Pretty good. Now we'll go. Alright, take that little Earl dipstick. It's high as fuck. See what we got up on here. I have trouble finding a hole, so yeah. Give me some time. Oh yeah, she could use a little bit. She's all the way at the lowest mark, so we'll add about 10 quarts to her. Just top her off, you know. Fucking undo this little fucking fuel cap for the last time. For sure. Put it bitch out one more time. Make sure she's still low as fuck, you know, because whenever you took the cap off, it might have got like a few hundred more quarts. Bag. Probably use a funnel, so I'm gonna use a funnel. Yeah. Make sure she's clean from last time. And you're just gonna let's see where we at. A quart? Yep. Let me put her to about 20 ounces ish. We gotta take out of here. Or something I can't do math, so I'm just gonna fill that motherfucker up. And she is leaning, so actually I'm just gonna do that. That's good enough. Cause it probably got enough oil and she just leaned back tank hair, barely. Just add some more, fuck it. Yeah, so I'll get about 20 on that groove. So I put about 8 ounces in her. That's how math works. Put 8 ounces in. Now we're gonna put that old lid back on that bitch. Birds flying. Put the lid back on. Push your little hose back on. Make sure everything in the holes that they're supposed to be in. Then you go get your old hood popper out. Put it back. Then you just fucking, just like that. That's how you close old yoke dog's hood. And yeah, that's about it. As you can see, I guess y'all seen already, we got the little 14 wads on her. Something small, pretty small. Got some curves all up on her. Just right there and somewhere else. But it's just curves, who cares? Yeah, probably next weekend I'm gonna take it all apart. I might make a video on that, hopefully, if I can. But yeah, we'll probably take it apart, lift her up a little bit more, get some better angles so all my shit's not rubbing against each other. But yeah, that's about it for how to change the oil on your own 2001 yoke dog. So yeah, I'll catch y'all next video, whenever that is. But yeah, that's it. So peace.